Hello everyone, my name is Sammy and welcome, and today I will be showing you how I made cat ears for my headphones. I'm really excited, I'm hoping it'll look really cute, so here we go.
Okay, so for my cat ears, I'm basically going to make the ears connected to this felt, and then I'm going to Velcro them in the back. It'll make more sense once I actually do it. So I want the ears to lay around here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line them up with this. Probably use a marker in this instance, but I don't really have a marker, so I'm kind of just gonna wing it and see what happens. Then I'm going to draw the cat ears the best I can. Again, I'm just kind of winging it. Okay, so I basically cut out the two ear shapes, and what I'm going to do is they're each going to be like a separate thing. So I'm going to cut them out. Okay, both ears are cut out. They're basically like a random shape. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to create like a Velcro. Okay, so little update. I created these two shapes out of the felt for the ears. I know they look a little weird. They'll look a little bit better in a second. And then I cut two triangles to put on the inside of the ears. Now I'm going to take two little pieces of Velcro and I'm going to sew them onto this side. So like here's the ear, I'm going to sew it onto the back side so it can be connected then. Okay, so I managed to finish one of them and this is what it looks like. I think it looks kind of cute. I wish I would have made them a little bit bigger, but that's all right. That can be just, you know, another project away. But overall, I think that's really cute. So I'm just going to do the other one and then that'll be it. So that is pretty much it. That is how I made these cute little cat ears for my headphones. Now, like I said before, I wish I would have made them a little bit bigger, but that's all right. You know what, I was kind of just winging it this whole time and I learned a couple things on what to do next time. So, but otherwise, I am really happy with them. I do think they look kind of cute. They could almost be like horns too, but either way, that is pretty much it for this video. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye!